Hey, this is Marco, and in this video I'm going to show you how to check if your Snapchat account is public or private. Now, before I show you how to do that, subscribe to the channel, it helps me out a lot. So what you want to do is open up your Snapchat, then you want to go to the top left, then you want to go to the top right to open up your settings. There you want to scroll down until we see public profile settings. As you can see, it's right over here, and you want to tap on that. And then you can edit your profile, you can share your profile, you can show story replies, edit muted words, and a lot of different things. And you can always clear a public profile and then be done with it. Another way is to scroll down until you see privacy controls, and then, for example, click on view my story. And then you can say friends, or you can even say custom. You can also do that for my location. See my location, only me or whoever else. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you enjoyed, leave a like, comment, subscribe.